Good morning, my name is Conrad. Today I would like to speak to you about leaf tissue testing in almonds. Why do we tissue test? There are two reasons really. One, as a diagnostic tool. Secondly, to monitor the crop. When we're doing a diagnostic sample, we need to take the sample from an area displaying poor or irregular growth. When we're doing a sample for monitoring the crop, we need to make sure that we are choosing trees that are the same age, same rootstock, and same variety. We need an area which is representative of the whole crop. Let's get down to the sample details. The first thing you need to do is wash your hands. You don't want any impurities on your hands influencing any sample results. You need to make sure that you sample the crop before 10 a.m. in the morning. This will make sure nutrients such as nitrates are truly representative of the crop. You need to choose between 20 to 25 trees to sample from. Make sure these trees are representative of the block. We also need to use a paper bag. If we use a plastic bag, the sample will sweat. This could result in the sample deteriorating. We therefore want the sample as fresh as possible. When we are taking the sample, we need to look for non-fruiting spurs and then select the fully mature leaf. We need around 100 leaves per sample. Once you have your sample, put the paper bag in an esky or somewhere cool. Try and send that sample off to the lab early on in the week, which will allow for any delays in postage. If you have any questions, please contact me via phone or email. Thank you for your time. We're looking to take leaves from the non-fruiting spurs, and we're looking to take the most mature leaf. So here in my finger right here is the most mature leaf from a non-fruiting spur.